Ever wondered what the best months to trade Forex are, especially for beginners? The Forex market, a truly global experience, operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. This relentless operation offers traders worldwide a chance to engage in currency trading at their convenience. However, despite the round-the-clock nature of Forex, some months present more favorable conditions for those who are just starting out. January, September, and October emerge as the standout months. Why these months, you ask? These periods are known for their increased market activity, volatility, and major economic events. Such conditions can provide beginner traders with valuable opportunities to learn, experiment, and potentially profit. However, it's important to remember that Forex trading isn't just about picking the right months. It also requires a robust strategy, effective risk management, and continuous market education. So, the beginning and the end of the year seem to be the prime time for trading. But why is that? It might seem random that January, September, and October are the best months for Forex trading, but there's a reason behind this. These months often coincide with significant events on the global economic calendar. Think of factors such as the release of annual reports or fiscal year ends. These events can stir up the market, causing a surge in trading activity. Now you might wonder, why is increased trading activity a good thing? To put it simply, more activity means more volatility, and more volatility means more opportunities for profit. When the market is volatile, prices move more dramatically and frequently. This can create a wealth of opportunities for traders to profit from these price movements. But here's the catch. Increased volatility is a double-edged sword. Yes, it can lead to large profits, but it can also lead to significant losses if not managed correctly. It's crucial for beginner traders to develop a solid strategy and engage in effective risk management to navigate these volatile periods successfully. Remember, while these months can offer favorable conditions, success in Forex trading isn't just about timing. It's about understanding market dynamics, having a well-thought-out strategy, and continuously educating yourself about the market. Increased volatility and market activity can be a beginner trader's best friend, if navigated correctly. But remember, knowing the best months to trade is just part of the equation. The art of Forex trading is a nuanced dance, a blend of strategy, risk management, and continuous education. While January, September, and October might offer favorable conditions, they are no silver bullet for guaranteed success. A solid trading strategy is a game changer. It's your roadmap in the frenetic world of currency exchange, guiding your decisions and helping you navigate market volatility. But a strategy alone won't cut it. Effective risk management is also crucial. It's the safety net that protects you from catastrophic losses, enabling you to trade another day even when the market doesn't swing your way. And let's not forget about the power of continuous market education. The Forex market is a dynamic beast, constantly evolving and shifting. Staying informed and understanding these changes is key to staying afloat and thriving in this challenging environment. So while knowing the best months to trade can give you a head start, remember that it's just one piece of a much larger puzzle. In the world of Forex trading, knowledge is power. And knowing the best months to trade is a powerful tool in your trading arsenal.